How much do you know about chemistry? Cellulose. Well, you think about how we metabolize food. A lot of people refer to carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates, as empty calories. Right. But the truth is, those empty calories are a big part of how we fuel all of our important metabolic processes, like building proteins or fats or whatever. We do need the raw materials, but the energy comes from those simple carbs. Right. Mushrooms are very much the same. They can't fix atmospheric nitrogen, but they have a lot of protein in them, which is nitrogen compound. So they take straw, which is almost all fiber, and the fiber is mostly cellulose in combination with lignin. Cellulose is just sugar linked with a single bond in an endless chain. So it's literally just glucose linked one on top of another, basically forever. So metabolically speaking, they're very much like us. We just don't have the enzyme to break the cellulose. For us, it's indigestible fiber, non-digestible fiber. For them, it's sugar. You know, that's their main fuel for driving their metabolic processes. So, you know, that's the great thing about them, is they use what we can't. Yeah. Which is cool. Awesome. It makes it into good food too. I think it's good food. I've always been fond of them.
Yeah, we have some killer recipes with you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. we ate the lion's mane. It was so good.
Oh, good. Man, yeah, it was out of control.
I can't wait for them to come out again.
A lot of people don't know what to do with that mushroom, and they try it and they're like, I couldn't figure out. It's mushy bitter. And weird.
Yeah, they're kind of.
They got a little bitterness to them, and a lot of people have a real strong bitter sensitivity.
The texture is kind of
chewy,
kind of hard. Yeah, it's hard to chew.
Yeah.
But if you fry it in a batter, it's so good.
Yeah.
It just makes it.
Yeah, I like to almost like pan sear them. I make sure just about all the water's out of them, fairly dried, and then I put a good browning on them, and I pepper them well and use them as an accent. Just a couple of slices here and there. I don't tend to like go straight at that mushroom. It's just sort of an accent piece. These I could eat them all day long, like popcorn.
Oh my God.
I mean, these are just wonderfully edible.
Yeah.